Welcome back. We may be able to try an instant clone voice to see if we can get a better result. To do that, we're going to go to the Voices tab, and we're going to click on Voices. We are then going to use Instant Voice Cloning. We're now going to upload an audio. Now, we could record the audio. However, we would not be saving time by doing a recording. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload existing audio. So we're going to grab our audio and upload it. We're going to disclose and give permission. We're then going to add the new voice. And we're going to allow ElevenLabs to create our new instantly cloned voice. And our process is now complete. We now have a new voice that we can use for our script. Now, we've not yet corrected the script, but we can generate the script to see if the instantly cloned voice is going to work for us. So we're going to click Use. And even though our script has not yet been corrected, we're going to click Generate Speech with the new voice to determine if it can work for us or whether we will then use an ElevenLabs voice. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.